You're watching One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send money in CashApp without a debit card. So it's not like you don't need a debit card. Like, yes, you need a debit card, but you need to put money in your CashApp. If there's like money in your CashApp, if you have a debit card or not, it doesn't matter. The first step is you can ask your friend to transfer some money into your CashApp using their CashApp. You can pay your friend $10 and ask them to send $10 in your CashApp. They can do that, and now you have money on your CashApp. Once you have the money, you can like send it to whoever you want from your CashApp. All right, that's one way. The other way is by using your bank. You don't need to enter a debit card in order to link your bank. Yes, you need a debit card to link a credit card in CashApp, but if you have a bank account, you don't even have to link a debit card, and I'm going to be showing you that way. All right, but before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step is click on your profile picture looking icon at the top right corner of your screen and go on versus linked banks, and over here click on link debit card. But we are not gonna link a debit card since we don't have a debit card. What we want to do is all the way at the down there's no card option. Click on it and it's gonna take you to another page, so wait for some time a bit. Now over here click and continue, and after that it's gonna show you all these banks. You can choose whichever bank you have. So let's say I have Citibank, I can click on Citibank, so I'm gonna click on Citi Online and click and continue. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you to enter your Citibank's online banking detail after you log in into your Citibank's online banking account, basically by entering the user ID passport. Once you do that, it's gonna be linked with your Cash App. Now you can use your bank account to cash in money from your bank. For that, you can click on this house looking icon at the bottom left of your screen. Now since I don't have any money, it's showing me this, but if you have, it's going to show you the amount of money you have. And once you do that, just click on add cash and it's going to show you which method you want to use. You can choose your bank from there and add money into your Cash App. All right, and once your money is added on your Cash App, you can send it to whoever you want, whether you have a debit card or not. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send money in Cash App without a debit card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.